Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Corolla front bumper. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Next, park your Corolla on a level surface and engage the parking brake. For safety, disconnect the negative terminal of your car's 12-volt battery. This prevents accidental electrical shorts during the process. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle. Now, let's start removing the old bumper. Begin by locating and removing all the plastic clips and screws along the top edge of the bumper, usually under the hood. Then, move to the wheel wells. You'll find more screws or clips securing the bumper to the fender liner. Don't forget to check underneath the car for any additional fasteners. If your Corolla has fog lights, gently disconnect their electrical connectors before pulling the bumper away. With all the fasteners removed, it's time to carefully detach the bumper. Start by gently pulling the sides of the bumper away from the fender, releasing it from the mounting clips. Work your way across the front, ensuring all connections are free. Have a soft blanket or cardboard ready to place the bumper on once it's off. Take a moment to inspect the bumper's internal structure and mounting points for any damage that might need addressing. Installing the new bumper is essentially the reverse of removal. Carefully align the new bumper with the mounting points and gently push it into place, ensuring all clips engage properly. Reconnect any fog light wiring harnesses. Then, secure all the screws and plastic clips you removed earlier, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Double-check that everything is tight and secure. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home. Finally, reconnect your car's 12-volt battery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.